going to give you a tour of Petunia. Up front, we got a wild dog bumper. Inside, we have a 10,000-pound winch. This baby's gonna get us out of any trouble if we get stuck. We have 2 recovery points on the bumper, and this is a wild dog bash plate, and it protects Petunia's engine. We also got bash plates on Petunia's control arms, which protects our steering. Let's check under the hood. Petunia has a dual battery system, and this is the standard one, and this is the second one. This blue box acts like a brain, and it controls the charging in Petunia. This is a 4x4 snorkel. It helps Petunia in 2 ways. The first way, it helps if we're on a super dusty road, that Petunia gets clean air in her engine. The second way is that if we go through a deep river crossing, that air can still go in her engine. This is a rock slider, and it helps so our door over here doesn't get smashed by the rocks. Come a little closer, I'm going to show you inside. We took our Toyota system and put in one nav. We have a dash cam which records all our great adventures in Petunia. The problem with traveling is that you never have enough space. But on our dashboard we put a cover on it that has pockets so we can put stuff in. We also have chair bags to put our stuff in. Emma's taking you up front and inside. I'm going to take you up top and in the back. On top we've got a front runner roof rack, which allows us to store stuff that won't fit inside Missy and our car. So, on top here, we've got 5 kilograms of gas, 40 liters of diesel, and a player, new ammo crates, recovery gear, and a lot of tools. And there is 40 liters of water. On this side of the car, right next to the recovery gear, we've got a spade, which is easily accessible in times of emergencies. This will help us dig out of any situations that Petunia gets stuck in. And if that doesn't work, my dad's got a bottle opener. Petunia's got some BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, which allows us to go anywhere. Behind here, Petunia's had a slight lift, and we've also put in some air spring cushions. You may be wondering what air spring cushions are. Before we got them installed, our car was doing this because we were packing with so much weight and towing a caravan. And when you're window bashing, that isn't good. And now, all we need to do is hook our bicycle pump up to here, pump it up to 3 or 4 bar, and it won't be doing this anymore, we'll be doing this. Over here we've got our Anderson plug, which links up to the dual battery system my sister was talking about earlier. And we just plug this into Missy and it charges her fridge as well as her batteries. Some of you might have noticed that our spare tire is hanging a lot lower than normal Fortunas. The reason for this being is because we installed a 42-litre long-range fuel tank, which makes sure we've got enough diesel for every adventure. Let's go see what junk Petunia has in her trunk. This nifty drawer system was made and designed by a good friend of ours, Byron from Auric Decor. It slides open like this, where we've got our other ammo crates tied down safely with a ratchet strap. And I think this is my dad's favorite part of the car. It always has his beers in, which I've named the fridge Luna. Because reading is so important to our family, we've got our own library hidden under our drawer system. That's all from us and Petunia. See you next time.